Hello children. Okay, so today we are going to see about is matter around us pure. First class already I taught you. We are going to see about the classworks. Okay, classwork we are going to write. Okay, so I'm going to dictate. You people take your book, take a pen. What are the things you need? You take it, keep aside, and you follow me. Understood children? So you have to write the headings in black letter and you have to write the answers in the blue color. Understood? Okay, shall we start now? Yes, so all of you write now, is matter around us pure? This is a heading of the topic. Chapter name, okay, chemistry chapter 1, is matter around us pure, and you put the date also. Okay, classification of matter. Classification of matter. First point. On the basis of the physical state, matter is classified into three main types. On the basis of physical state, matter is classified into three main types. They are solids, liquids, and gases. They are solids, liquids, and gases. Second point. On the basis of the chemical composition, matter is classified into two main types. They are pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are two types. They are elements and compounds. Next line you write. Mixtures are of two types. They are, first one is homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. See, you draw this flow chart like this. Matter, pure substances, mixtures. Under the pure substances, elements, compounds, mixtures. Under that you have to write homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Understood? And you put next heading, pure substances and mixtures. Pure substance. It is a substance which consists of a single type of substance, either elements or compounds. You should write in the bracket. Okay. For example, iron, copper, hydrogen, oxygen, water, sugar, common salt, etc. Next you are going to write, second one is mixture. It is a substance which consists of two or more pure substances. Example, seawater, minerals, soil, air, sand and water, sugar in water, salt in water, etc. Next you put two columns like this for writing differences between pure substances and mixtures. You put the heading like this. Differences between pure substances and mixtures. Serial number, pure substance, mixture. First point, pure substances consists of a single type of substances. Pure substance consists of a single type of substances. Mixtures consist of two or more pure substances. Mixtures consist of two or more pure substances. Second point, pure substances cannot be separated. Pure substances cannot be separated into other substances by physical methods. Pure substances cannot be separated into other substances by physical methods. Mixtures can be separated into its components by physical methods. Sorry. Yeah, good. Third point, pure substances has its own definite properties. Pure substances has its own definite properties. Mixture shows the properties of its components. Maybe these pure substances or metals, okay, metals, non-metals, metalloids. Understood? All will come under the pure substances. For example, gold, silver, etc. Here soil, air, salt, solution, etc. Understood? Over. Next, types of mixtures. Types of mixtures. Mixtures are of two types. Mixtures are of two types. They are homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. They are homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. First one, homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. It is a mixture. It is a mixture which has a uniform composition. It is a mixture which has a uniform composition. The particles of the mixture are not visible by the naked eye. The particles cannot be separated by filtration. The particles cannot be separated by filtration. The mixture is stable. That means the properties do not settle down. The properties of matter or the matter do not settle down. The path of a beam of light is not visible in the mixture. Example, mixture of sugar in water, mixture of salt in water, mixture of copper sulfate in water, etc. Over. Next we are going to see about heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. It is a mixture. It is a mixture which has a non-uniform composition. The particles or next point. The particles are visible by the naked eye. The particles are visible by the naked eye. The particles can be separated by filtration. The particles can be separated by filtration. The mixture is unstable. The properties, that means the properties settle down. Write in the bracket. The path of a beam of light is visible in the mixture. Example, mixture of salt and sand, mixture of sulfur and iron fillings, mixture of oil and water, etc. So today notes over, children. You read well. Only few notes I gave to you. Read well. Okay, today itself you read well, then it will be easy for your next class. Understood, children? Thank you.